really excited to get this thing open, so let's do it. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick intro about how I even found this mower. Down at one of our Airbnbs, there's a really small plot of grass, and I gave a shot with the Luba Automower, the smallest one they make. The Husqvarna was the one that's known for, coming out with this first. And I was really happy with the results with it. I learned a lot from it, some of the problem, but at the end of the day, I loved the cut that it gave. It just looked always manicured. We have a pretty big plot of grass at our house at home. I was looking for an option and whether a robot mower could even cover that. We have over an acre of front yard grass, and I usually cut it with a zero-turn mower, but in the spring and summer I'm doing it every 5 or 6 days, and it takes a little while. So as I researched the Husqvarna ones, they do make a model that says it would cover that much, but I had some issues with it. First, it was very expensive. The second was one of the main issues that I found with the Husqvarna mower at our other house was the Husqvarna has two kind of big wheels, but they're real thin in the back, and it's only 2-wheel drive, and then the front wheels are real small. So it tends to get stuck really easily in any little rut. So it wasn't a big deal down there. Once I figured out where those spots were and smoothed them out, it's been working really well. But in over an acre of grass, and this is an old farmhouse, and the front yard has divots from old trees and all kinds of stuff, so it's not flat enough that I would imagine there'd be dozens of spots where this thing would get hung up. And the other problem was with the Husqvarna, you have to put a perimeter wire, kind of like an electric dog fence, around your yard so that the mower knows where to go. And to do that here would have been just a massive undertaking. I mean, we're talking about hundreds of feet of wire being pushed into the ground. I happened across this Kickstarter about a year ago. I think it was spring of 2022 for the Luba non-perimeter wire mower that's supposedly controlled by GPS. You don't need a wire. It's 4-wheel drive. It's got some bigger wheels. I had never done a Kickstarter before in my life. I'm reading all the comments. It sounds good. People are saying it's fake and you're going to get scammed out of money. I didn't know what to do. I went back and forth. I pledged, and then I unpledged, and I pledged, and I unpledged. And by the time the deadline came, I put my pledge in, and I rolled the dice. And it was supposed to be delivered last fall of 2022. And we kept getting emails saying that they were finding product development issues or fixing things, and they were extending and all that kind of stuff. So I was optimistic, but honestly, I was like, I don't know if I'm ever going to get this thing. And it's coming from China, and it's shipping all over the place, and they're talking about production issues and COVID and blah, blah. And then the other day I get an email that says, your product's been shipped. I couldn't believe it. So we're going to open it up today. I'm just going to get my first general reaction about the quality, how it seems, what it looks like. If other people out there are waiting for theirs, this will be a little sneak peek for them. If anyone hasn't heard of it, then this is new news for you. And then I'll be updating, obviously, once I get this thing set up with how it works for me. My front yard is over an acre. This is supposed to be able to handle that. We're going to find out. I want to find out if it gets stuck. I want to find out how easy it is to trace the perimeter without doing a wire. All that kind of stuff I have yet to learn. But I want to at least show the unboxing here today, and then make sure to, if you want to get notified on future updates of this, hit that subscribe button, because I'm going to be putting out videos about how well this thing works, if it still works, battery life, all that kind of good stuff as we go. All right, well, first impression, it's heavy. And it's big. Perimeter wire free. That was the key for me. Quick setup without perimeter wires, multiple zone mapping, obstacle detection and avoidance, full control in their app. And that's the other one, off-road capability for complex terrains. I don't have a lot of slope, although this thing says it can handle a really pretty high amount of slope. But again, I have a lot of those ruts and dips and trenches. All right, top of the box. Because I pledged on Kickstarter, I got a little extra stuff here. It says a mini Luba model. I'm not even sure what that is. Drawstring backpack. Awesome. All right, we got the extension cord, 3 sets of extra blades it came with, and then the set itself. All right, and then here is our quick start guide and what's inside. Got the mower, the base station, the RTK, which is what communicates, I believe, from the satellites down to the mower. Although, honestly, I haven't looked into the technology of this a whole lot yet, but we're about to find out. So let's see, charging station. That's the reference station, a bumper, a ground stake, power supply, install kit for the charging station, I'm guessing, power supply, cords, keys, and then the poles here to mount the RTK, and some quick steps to get that going. All right, I'm good. Oh, the real bonus from Kickstarter, the F1 decals. Oh, here's the drawstring bag. Nice. My motion. Awesome. That's it. Right here. Tower. Check. Bumper. All right, this is a good size. First reaction, wheels, tires. The general size of this thing, a little bit bigger than I think I would have expected. I'm used to, like I said, we have the Husqvarna one, the smaller one. And this is a decent bit bigger already, I would say. Let's get it out and see how it feels. Whew. Oh, a couple other kits here. This is the RTK antenna extension kit. Accessory B kit. I'll tell you what, so far, everything nicely labeled and packaged. Definitely gotta appreciate that. It's not always the case. Accessory kit A. We keep all those in the box for now. Oh wow, that's a lot heavier than I expected. Definitely heavier than the Husqvarna. Take a mount for the pole. Let's try to get this out of here. Okay, I'm gonna set this down and then bring it back up. Oh, that is definitely substantial.
It looks like a big.
There's some more fun for you.
Thing that you could sit on, then it just drives anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Charging station. This looks very similar to my Husqvarna one. Kind of inform and heaviness and all that kind of stuff. So pretty straightforward there. All right, let's get this box out of here. Well, this is interesting. Let's see here. The front of this says, keep the box and foams for return or repair use. Hopefully there's not a lot of repair issues here, but obviously they're understanding that this is kind of a first-gen product and things could happen. Yeah, first reaction is a lot heavier than I thought it would be, which is good. It's good. Let's get the bag off and take a closer look. No. Little kids with plastic bags are not good, dude. Okay, this thing's cool. Looks like it does look like it is shiny.
And it looks like a cool thing that you just sit where the wet is, and then it drives anywhere.
Substantial wheels. This rubber on these wheels is solid. They're not like soft or filled with air or anything like that. So I like that. Wheels are much bigger. I'm just going to give a nice slow video around 360 top, bottom, sides, this whole thing, so you can take a look.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you, oh, oh, oh,
Okay, well, first impressions, like I said, heavier, a little bit bigger than I thought. Definitely feels a lot, I don't want to say sturdier than I thought, but I'm just happy and kind of relieved to feel how sturdy it is. Again, I didn't know what to expect, okay? I didn't get any perks from them. I paid the full Kickstarter pledge amount. I was reading comments on there from people, you know, saying this thing ain't showing up, you're getting scammed, you never get your money back, all that kind of stuff. It was definitely a gamble on my part. So this is, I'm making these videos just because I think some people might be interested, trying to build my YouTube channel. If you do want to help support me, the only thing they did allow me or give me is an affiliate link down below. If you want to purchase anything from them and you want to click through my link, that would support me. I'd really appreciate that. So if you're looking to purchase this or anything else, especially as I update how well this is working. This is the bigger model. I believe they do have a couple different models. I'll be outlining all of that. I'll do a quick second part video will be just assembling everything, and I'll do that in real time to see show you whether I have any issues or anything like that. All right, I won't chop that up. And then updating videos after that will be how well this thing works, and hopefully we have good news. I have the Husqvarna one as well to compare. That's going to be set up down at our other property, but I do have that for the winter put away, so I can put those two side by side. You can see kind of a size difference, weight difference, and I could point out some other differences there. I know there's other models out there and other brands that make them. I'm not aware of another major brand currently that does a perimeter wire-free version of this. So I know there's a couple other in development, but very excited to get this guy going, and I will definitely keep updating as we put this thing together and get it out on the front yard. It's a little early still. I mean, we're only in March here. The grass isn't really growing yet. But you know I'm not going to be waiting until that happens to at least see how this thing roams around. Anything else? Come here. What were your thoughts on this? You know the mower we have down at the beach house, right? How do you like this one so far?
Is it for the mountains?
No, it's for here.
Ew.
What's one word you can say to describe it? I like these shock absorbers here too. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's like an independent front. Wow. If you can see this, we got an independent front suspension. That's what I'm hoping is going to get us through all those dips and stuff. Where the other one? Oh gosh, that is heavy. So again, click that subscribe button if you want to stay updated as soon as I put new videos of this out, or if you're interested in anything else on my channel, I appreciate that too.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all my new videos in the world of property management, renovation, Airbnbs, real estate investing in general, and pretty much any other project I get myself into. Thanks again. Appreciate the support. Don't forget to leave a comment below.